Здравствуйте, да, это я, Андрей, русский механик. Можете себе представить, Роман сегодня поехал в Китай, его пригласили туда на маленькое путешествие Бентли, тестировать новый седан. А Натан в Калифорнии тестирует новую Кию, а меня здесь одного оставили. Ну что поделаешь, ну ладно. Погода сегодня очень хорошая, и один из наших лучших зрителей, Джон, привез свой грузовик на следующий эпизод Brung Brung на tflcar.com.
Well, it's a 2001 S-10. It's first year for the crew cab, and it came stock with a 4.3 liter V6, the ubiquitous Vortec. And that 4.3 had 190 horsepower from the factory and 260 pound-feet of torque. I've done some modifications to it to the stock airbox. Have a K&N air filter and modified the stock airbox so it gets more cold air. Also done the throttle body mod. And also ran full exhaust on the truck, whereas I cut out the main cat and ran 3-inch from the main cat all the way back to a single muffler up and over the axle and out the back. It also has a high mileage mod, 225,000 miles on her with the original motor, original trans. The factory tires are pretty small, so I had 31 series tires put on this truck. Which makes it a little bit higher, and it's able to have a little bit more ground clearance with that. So they're claiming 0 to 60 at around 10 seconds for this truck, with up here in elevation and of course a little bit of high mileage to it. I'm hoping for 12s, somewhere in the 12-second range. So we'll see what happens. Going to put it in first gear, and we're going to shift it manually because the transmission, I can get a little more RPMs out of it, and transmission kind of likes it better that way. So actually shifts quicker when you shift it manually than if you keep it in drive. So, and we're going to stall it a little bit, see what she does. Here we go.
Привет! Какое было твое лучшее время?
Best time, 12.62.
Молодец! Вот тебе новая майка.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you guys. Sea level is for wussies.
This is a 2008 Mini Cooper S convertible, and the best thing about this car, besides the fact that the top comes all the way down, is that it is supercharged, which makes it a lot of fun to drive. And since you're driving such a little car, there is a great benefit, and that is that you don't use a lot of fuel. In fact, it's very fuel efficient.
Rio is so cute, but you know what? It's not as efficient as this.
No way, man. This is a whale of a behemoth. Are you telling me this all-wheel drive V6 is more fuel efficient than that?
Yes, I will, because it is a hybrid, and you're going to see it next on the Fastlane car.